This is a community education video in English by Catholic Charities Milwaukee. This is part 2 of 2 videos. Today, we will talk about preventing fires. We will explain the importance of smoke detectors, having an escape plan, and teaching your kids fire safety. We will share ways to prepare your family and keep them safe. Why fire safety? It's important to prepare, prevent fires, and have an escape plan because you may have less than 2 minutes to escape in a fire. Smoke detectors. If smoke detectors are not working, they will not warn you during a fire. You should have at least one smoke detector on each level of your home or apartment. Test your smoke detectors one time each month. You can click the test button. If they are not working or you hear a constant beeping sound, you need to change the battery. If you do not have a smoke detector, you can have one installed for free by the Milwaukee Fire Department. Call the Smoke Detector Hotline at 414-286-8980. Escape plan. Make an escape plan and know your exits. Help your family prepare by talking with your kids. If a fire happens, make sure your kids know the escape plan. Practice your plan 2 times each year. Make sure everyone knows the exits in your house and your plan. Teach your kids not to hide, even if they're scared. Get low to avoid smoke and get outside. If you can't get outside, open a window, yell, and wave for help. Choose a meetup place. For example, if a fire happens, get out and meet by the tree in front of our apartment. Remember, get out, stay out, and call for help. Teach this to your kids. Never go back inside for anything or anyone after you're out of your house or apartment. You can visit this website for activities and videos to teach your kids more about fire safety. Thanks for watching today. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more videos soon. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video and to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of the Wheaton Franciscan Sisters Fund.